Hey loves, Thyme here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing hair growth leave-in conditioner. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the red subscribe button on your interface. Give me a thumbs up, comment below your questions, and also tap the bell for more videos. Keep watching and I'll be right back. You're welcome back. My first ingredient is thyme. Thyme is one of the finest culinary herbs that can be easily found inside of our kitchen cabinets. However, did you know that thyme is actually beneficial to hair growth? Thyme can be used to treat and prevent hair loss. They contain antimicrobial, antifungal properties. They improve blood circulation on the scalp, which promotes hair growth. In my beaker, I'm going to be adding 200 ml worth of very hot water. For this leave-in conditioner, your water must boil up to 100 degrees Celsius before you can use it. So 200 ml worth of hot water. Next, I'm going to be adding in my thyme. For the thyme, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the thyme. I'm going to scoop that into the beaker containing hot water. Next, stir to combine. I'm using my stirring rod to stir this to combine the water and the thyme. Next, I'm going to be covering that up to allow it steep for 8 to 12 hours. I'm going to be using my foil paper to cover this up. You can use anything to cover it. You must not use beaker as well. You can use any jar, glass jar you have around you. Try to use jar for this. Do not use plastic for this DIY. So after 8 hours, this is our result. I'm going to take off the foil paper and then show you guys the color of the solution. You can see that the water has changed color. It has changed color from what it was before. So I'll go ahead and sieve our leave-in spray. I'm going to be using a strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to be transferring this into my applicator bottle, my spray bottle for easy application. So after that, I'm going to be adding in my essential oil, but right now I'm trying to take a photo for my thumbnail. Then I'll proceed with the next ingredient. Please note that this is one ingredient, hair leave-in conditioner. Please, you can skip the essential oils. You must not use these essential oils. If you have them, you can use them, but if you don't have them, it's not compulsory. You can skip them. So I'm going to be adding in 5 drops of each of the essential oils. The first is peppermint oil, next is lavender essential oil, and lastly eucalyptus essential oil. After adding in all of that, give the bottle a good shake. Shake to combine all the ingredients, all the essential oils added. Next is the application. I'm going to be demonstrating how you can use this hair spray. Guys, please listen attentively. This spray is to be used 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. You can also use it as your final rinse on wash days. You can equally use it as the in your LOC or LCO method of moisture routine. You can apply this first, spread this on your hair, follow up with your leave-in conditioner, and then seal with hair butter cream or oil as your sealant. I'm taking my time to explain this because most of you will definitely come to the comment section to ask me this same thing. That's why I'm taking my time to explain so you guys could understand me. So after spraying each section, you already know that I love to work in section each time I'm doing anything to my hair. If you've been here, that's how I apply treatment on my hair. So after spraying each section, I'll go ahead and seal in that moisture with my oil. If you want to know how I made this oil, the link will be in the description box. I'm going to link that below so that you can understand the oil that I'm using, so that you can know the oil that I'm using. If your hair is thinning, if your hair is not growing as it should, I think you should give this a try, because we tend to neglect a lot of things around us that can actually do the job. You may have been searching for what to use to grow your hair fast, thick, and all that good stuff, but you don't know that one ingredient in your kitchen around you can actually do that job in a twinkle of an eye. A lot of you come to the comment section to ask if some of the DIYs shared on this channel could be used for relaxed or permed hair. My answer is yes. That they are made with natural ingredients does not mean that they can't be used on permed or relaxed hair. They are even better than store-bought products that you use on your permed hair. So this treatment is for all hair types. You can use it on both relaxed and permed hair. Lastly, this treatment can only last 5 days in the refrigerator. After 5 days, please discard and make a fresh batch. Do not put this treatment on your hair after 5 days. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much. If you have more questions, please ask away in the comment section below, and I'll be there to reply all your messages. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, tap that red subscribe button, and also turn that bell icon on so you could be notified on my future uploads. Guys, we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Make this happen for your girl this month. Please share my videos. If you're watching up to this point, please share these videos on your WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, Instagram stories, Instagram feed. Guys, we need to reach more people. This family needs to grow. Thank you so much. I appreciate. I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye and stay safe.